Most people think that you need to be on camera to make money on YouTube, and that's wrong, and it's keeping you broke. The creators who are making 3,000, 5,000, and 8,000 a month on YouTube, most of them never show their face once. Now let me show you exactly how they do it. So here's what's happening. There are two types of YouTube creators right now. The first type is grinding, posting consistently, chasing subscribers and wondering why this doesn't pay off. The second type build a system. They pick the right niche, they understand how money on YouTube actually flows, and they collect AdSense check every single month without even showing their face. And I'm going to show you the second model today. But here's where most people get completely wrong about YouTube income. They think it's about views. And it's not. It's about where the views come from. A channel in the wrong niche making 500,000 views a month can still almost make nothing. A channel in the right niche only earning 50,000 views a month can easily outperform a channel that's making 500,000 views but it's in the wrong niche. And that's the difference. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. By the end of this video, you'll exactly know how Faceless YouTube model works, how AdSense money flows, and which niches pay the highest. So you can stop guessing and start building something that actually generates money. So let's get into it. So first, what is faceless content? It's exactly what it sounds like. You create videos without ever appearing on camera. So this is what you eliminate. Instead, you use the right things, such as screen recordings, voiceover, B-roll footage or stock footage, animated text, and even AI-generated visuals. The viewer gets a polished and valuable video, and that stays completely off camera. This isn't some loophole. It's just how the content works. Think about how many videos you've watched this week that didn't show their face. YouTube channels, tutorial channels, finance explainers, news breakdowns, compilation channels, how-to guides. All of that is faceless content. And a lot of it, it's making serious money. Now here's where most people get tripped up. They think they can just pick any topic and start posting. And that's a mistake. And I'll show you exactly why in a second. So let's talk about how money actually flows. So when you're in YouTube Partners program, you earn through Google AdSense. Here's the simple version. So advertisers pay YouTube to show ads to your viewers. When those ads show up on your videos, you get a cut. Usually around 55% you receive and 45% YouTube takes a cut. The metric that controls your income is called RPM. RPM stands for revenue per mil, which just means revenue per 1000 views. And this is where most creators make a catastrophic mistake. They pick a niche that they like, without ever checking what the niche pays. So here's the brutal reality. So a gaming channel might earn $1.50 RPM. A finance channel might earn 15 RPM. Same 100 views, completely different income. One channel makes $150 a month and the other makes 10 times more, and that equals to 1500 a month. So here's a key metric RPM. So low RPM niche would be between $1 and $2, and the high RPM niches is considered at from $8 to $20 and plus per thousand views. So what niches actually pays 8, 12, and even 20 plus dollars per thousand views? I'm going to give you exact categories in a minute. So here's a niche tier map. Here's the logic behind the RPM almost no one explains clearly. Advertisers don't pay the same rate for every viewer. They pay based on buying intent of your audience. So a low RPM niche would be considered from $1 to $3, so that would be gaming niche, vlogs, reaction content, random entertainment, and memes. A medium RPM niche would be considered from $3 to $6, and that would consider health and fitness niches, cooking niche, lifestyle, travel, and DIY. And the high RPM niche would be considered from $8 and above. So it would be personal finance, investing, stocks and crypto, real estate, banking, and many more other sub niches that are going towards the same direction. And that all summarizes into that advertisers pay more to reach viewers who are actually about to spend money. And that's what you need to get into your head. So let me give you an example. Someone watching a gaming stream, it has low buying intent. Advertisers pay pennies. Now, someone watching a video called How to Pick the Best Index Fund for Beginners, that's a person that is about to make a financial decision. And advertisers, such as bank, investment platforms, insurance company, will pay serious money to get in front of them. And that's why finance, business, real estate, and software niches are consistently paying from 8 to 20 plus dollars per 1,000 views. And here's the important part. All of these niches work perfectly as faceless content. And you don't need to be a financial advisor. You don't need to be rich. What you need to make is a clear, structured, and useful video that attracts an audience with big, high buying intent. So, screen recordings, voiceover, slides, stock footage, that's it. That's the system. You don't need 1 million subscribers. You don't need to go viral. You need the right niche, consistent content, and time to build. So here's the faceless content system. So step 1, you pick a niche with strong RPM, such as finance, business, software, real estate. We've covered the niches before. Step 2, you need to create a content using a repeatable format. Write a script, record a voiceover, pair it with visuals, screen recordings, stock footage, slides, and simple animations. Edit it and upload it. No fees required, no studio, no personal brand. Step 3, here it is. You post consistently. 1 or 2 videos per day. I cannot change it, so I just say it out loud. So 1 or 2 videos a day for 3 to 6 months until you hit the monetization threshold, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And it may seem very much unlikely to happen, but and it may seem that it should take you the whole day. It shouldn't take you the whole day. It should take you from around 2 to 3 hours a day with the right system. So be aware of that. So once you hit the partner program, every video starts earning. And here's the part people underestimate. All videos keep paying you. A video that you uploaded 8 months ago is still getting searched, still getting recommended, and that means you're still earning RPM. And that's the compounding effect of YouTube. You're not trading time for money every day. You're building an asset library that works while you're sleeping. And that's why this model works. And it will still keep working. So a key insight that you should take from this whole video is that every video you publish is a permanent ad that pays forever. Now look, everything I just showed you, you can implement it yourself. But I want to be honest with you. Where most people get stuck isn't the concept. It's the execution. Which specific niche do you pick? What's the angle that you have low competition but the RPM is high? What does a good faceless script sound like? And that's what I help people with inside Freedom for YouTube, my community. Every week I share a high RPM niche ideas with data behind them. Not guesses, actual research. We have a group coaching, a one-on-one support, and a community of people building the exact system together. If you want to stop guessing and start executing with proven framework, the link is in the description. So it's not for everyone, but if you're serious about building income on YouTube without showing your face and without chasing trends, it's the fastest path that I know. So if you're serious, link is in the description. So let me leave you with this. The faceless YouTube model works. It's not a shortcut, It's a system, and the people making real money from it aren't special. They are not more talented than you. They picked the right niche, understand how YouTube money works, how Google AdSense pays, and stayed consistent long enough to see the compounding results. And that's it. And if you've been posting consistently and haven't found any success on Faceless YouTube, you're probably in the wrong niche. Or you're posting without a proper system. And both things are fixable. The link to Freedom for YouTube is down below in the description. And if you have found value, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Also, I read every single comment, so I would be interested to see your thoughts. And see you in the next video.